Hearty welcome. Applications are invited for admission to PhD programs for AICTE Doctoral Fellow. The application process will be carried out as per the University Grants Commission Regulations 2016 and amendments thereupon from time to time, and minimum standards and procedure for award of MPhil or PhD degrees. Detailed information of the online application, intake capacity, entrance test, examination centers, and PhD regulations are available on Shivaji University website under the link ADF PhD Admission 2021-22. The candidates are requested to read and understand the admission notification and the regulations and AICTE guidelines thoroughly. All candidates seeking admission to PhD program for ADF are required to appear for a common entrance test and interview or viva voce. The merit list will be prepared as per the prescribed norms and eligibility criteria for respective programs. Application forms are available on this web link from 26 August 2021 from 12 noon onwards to 10 September 2021 till 12 midnight. The candidate must fill the application form for entrance test through online mode after reading the eligibility criteria. Detailed admission procedure for candidates is prescribed in PhD Prospectus 2021-22. The candidates are required to verify the intake quota of particular subject which displayed along with the admission notification for PhD program for ADF before filling the online application form. The merit list of PhD for ADF shall be prepared as per the prescribed norms and eligibility criteria of respective programs. The candidate need not to send hard copy of online application to university. A candidate may take a printout of the online application for his or her personal record. In case a candidate gets selected for final admission, then he or she will have to produce a hard copy of online application at the time of final admission. Entrance test fee for open category is Rs 850 only. Similarly, entrance test fee for reserved category is Rs 600 only. The entrance test fee shall be paid through online payment gateway facility. The detailed examination schedule for the entrance test will be displayed on the university website in under PhD Admission 2021-22 for ADF link. Therefore, the candidates are advised to visit the university website at regular intervals for all the updates regarding entrance test and admission procedure. Candidates who are employed are required to submit no objection certificate at the time of admission. The merit list of selected candidates and the waiting list for vacant seats in order of merit shall be prepared by the concerned CRC, and it will be valid for that particular academic year only. The entrance test will be a qualifying test for admission to PhD program. The entrance test will be of 100 marks, which is having 50 questions of 2 marks each with multiple choice. The qualifying marks for entrance test shall be 50% marks, provided that a relaxation of 5% marks shall be allowed for the candidates belonging to SC or ST or VJNT non-creamless or OBC non-creamless or EWS or differently able category in the entrance examination. Negative marking system will not be followed. The entrance test shall consist of 50% question based on research methodology and 50% shall be subject specific. The entrance test shall be conducted at the centers notified as above. The duration for the entrance test will be for 2 hours. Qualifying in the entrance test will not be considered as confirmation of admission to PhD program. The candidates are required to verify the intake quota of a particular subject which displayed along with the admission notification for PhD program for ADF before filling the online application. Please note that the intake quota that is displayed along with the admission notification may vary. The syllabi for entrance tests are available on university website, that is www.unishivaji.ac.in. Please contact these numbers for technical assistance to fill online application. This is the email ID to solve your query. If you like this video, then please press the subscribe button. Also, if you want to ask any question related to admission, you can ask the same through comment box. Thanks for watching the video. Have a good day.